Teacher, good night. I am Hawa. Hello, my name is Alexander. They are 5 pupils. My family, I have 2 sisters and one brother. My dad is 44 years old. He is a dentist. My mom is 40 years old. She is a teacher. My brother is 22 years old. He is a pilot. I love my family. We are very happy. The bird is blue. The cat is brown. The dog is black. The chick is yellow. The fish is red. The bird is meat.